May-ari ng channel na to. Nalibang pa. Camera is here.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
And just watching the news. I just love CBS morning news. Anyway guys, good morning. May sakit yung ulo ko naman. I don't really wanna keep taking Advil because it make everything worse. I know I got the pancake. It's right here. The Jimema original complete. Just add water. Solo agua para pancakes. For pancakes. Okay. I have to transfer this in the container, but the problem is I don't have a container here. I don't know if I try this Njimama, because usually Tammy get the big cellophane from there's no big cellophane from Costco, the blue mix pancake. Hold on guys, I'm gonna put this back. I have the Pyrex right here, the one that I use. I'm gonna put it back. I got my Pyrex. Let me wash my hair. Okay, it says add water. I think it's gonna be the same thing. Okay, 1 cup liquid and then 1.5 cup water. I don't even measure this, so I'm just gonna do this the way I did the other one.
Ako lang yung pumasok sa
Chinkititay! Chinkititay, how are you na? Kahadlok ba dito? Oy, mura magday.
Nabasa ulit namin yung
Multo.
X-ray results sa loob
Anyway
ng
guys,
sabi nga,
I'm watching Chinkitita guys. And
gagamutin ng
ito na, hindi ko na mini-measure to guys. Ito na, tama naman. I'm good at measuring though, like you know, I measure. Shut up, Chinkititay! Shut up! I'm gonna post her. I love her. She's so funny. Anyway, ito magaling ako sa mga tama-tama na mga pagme-measure. Yung if you measure it without using measurement, and then you just like kind of just I know the consistency, so that's why I don't need measurement or measuring cup. I just have to do it with my 2 big eyes. So now it's time to make pancake.
Pa-check up ko. Ang mahal na. Tapos may gamot pa.
There you go. This is my pancake and my coffee right here. I'm going to call Tommy. Okay guys, sa mga bagong nanonood, magi-English ako guys at saka mag-Tagalog mix kasi hindi ako marunong alam nyo naman mag-mix talaga tong pagsasalita ko, may English, may Tagalog, sometimes may sinagulan pa ng Bisaya. Kasi naman, kasi bata, sa dama natin, kasi naman guys, hindi ako marunong akong mag-English, maliit lang. Pero gusto kong mag-English kasi paano ako matuto nito? How can I learn speaking English if I won't speak English? Even my husband is around, you know. I want to English spoken because I want my husband to spoken me English too. I want my husband to understand me, guys, when I'm talking, and then it makes me also learn and just keep talking in English. It makes me more like fluent. It's not fluent. It's just, you know, it's just Filipina naman ako. Bisaya pa, gahi pa kayo sinultihan. Yeah, so yun lang sa mga bagong viewers ko na nagtataka. Meron naman talagang mag-isip na ganito. Ba't pa English pa tong Kurimaw na to na Bisaya naman, sobrang gahi pa yung mga salita. No guys, I have to speak English sometimes in my vlog, you know, in person here when I'm with Tommy. I always speak English, you know. expect look. Tingnan nyo. Expect when I was talking to my family. So because I think that's how I learn English. If I will just keep talking English, and sometimes if I don't, I don't know what's the English what's in my head, so I'm just gonna say it in Tagalog or Bisaya, Mostly may yung mga salita talagang mabibisaya ako guys, kasi parang yun naman talaga yung dialect ko, Bisaya. Sa mga bagong viewers, thank you guys so much. Ito talaga meron akong masasabi guys. Agang-aga pa naman na 9:50 ng umaga. Dito ako sa couch. Tapos na akong kumain anyway. Ito talagang may mga magko-comment talaga na mga ganyan. Hindi ako nasasaktan guys. Ang una akong nasasaktan sa mga comment, yung yung pinakaunang main comment sa channel na ito. Yun talaga ang naano ako. Bakit kaya ganito? Totoo pala yung mga salita sa mga ibang is it really true that some of the what other vlogger says that you can slowly get a hit comment, and you just ignore it anyway, just ignore it and ignore it, and then but they said you really get like it bothers you for the when you first get few haters. Mga haters na yan guys, nagtatago lang yan guys. Ano kaya ang mukha nila? Ano kaya? May mga hinanakit sa mundo yung mga ganyan, nagtatago sa laptop, nagtatype. Pero kung inatubang mo na yun, inatubang. If you're going to talk face to face, probably you just like shut the frick off. It will shut the frick off if you will like face me. Hey, I'm not vlogging and pretend that like, oh, I'm good, la 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 la. I'm not gonna ignore the haters, la la. I do before. I usually comment because I comment back or I deleted them or something like that. But I just like kind of like, I'm just gonna laugh it out. And it's not bothers me anymore. Even though they called me different name, I'm a freaking whatever. I don't care. I don't really care. Chuchu na lang guys, chuchu. Yun ang ginagawa ko. Kasi naman, hindi naman nila alam kung ano talaga. Itong mga taong magsasabi, hindi naman ako nagpakaaron ingnon. I'm not pretending that I'm from the city. I grew up rich. I finished study. No, I'm so proud, guys. I am very proud that I grew up in the province and we have a mountain. I'm so proud of that, guys. If Jesus come and then tells you, oh, do you know how to cook rice without measurement? I can do it. Can you make a fire without lighter or whatever gas? I can do it. Can you go find some water in how many kilometers and carry it with a big container? I can do it too. I know God won't ask that. I'm just giving you a sample. If God said, can you wash your clothes using your manually, it's so very easy. I'm so proud where I'm from. I went to high school because it's not my parents, send me to high school. I try to just like jumping every relatives. I jump to my relatives, whoever can send me to school. In the third year, I'm not in my relatives. I went to somebody's house and just being a working student. That's how I do my thing. And then in fourth year, I can't do it anymore. I went to Cebu and then work myself, find a job in Cebu, and that's how I went to high school. I'm willing to go to school. It's just my parents can't afford, guys. Okay, we are not wealthy, and I'm not hindi ko kinahihiya. I'm not embarrassed. I'm not shy. Who my parents are, they put me in this world. I should be proud enough that they feed me to still growing up, and they don't stop me what I want to do. You know what I mean? And they don't just leave us alone. They work hard for us. To eat every meal every 3 times a day. So I'm just so proud of that. I really appreciate the people that always on my channel. I just want to let you know that if you start YouTube, you will be hurt for the first time, and then suddenly you're just like ping ping. Now forget it, ping ping. If you're going to do YouTube, guys, just keep doing it. One thing I will say, just enjoy it. Honestly, my Tommy told me, you're talking to your phone, to your camera, and I told him, man, I enjoy doing the video. You can't even tell. And he said, yes, I can see that you enjoying. I enjoy doing the video. I enjoy editing, even though the editing gives you a headache. It takes hours to edit the video, but I enjoy it, guys. Before, I kind of embarrassed to edit myself, like editing my own video. I kind of embarrassed to see the video me talking. Now I kind of like it to watch my old videos. I laugh at myself. I'm so happy, and Tommy noticed that too. I'm enjoying doing my video and edit the video. It's already 10 o'clock. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Did you see that? It's moving, look. Why am I moving? I have to shut the light off here, guys. I'm just gonna get I'm kind of dizzy though. Towel. I need a towel. I just want to just take a bath to relax my body and relax my mind and listen music. Yeah, smells really good. Anyway, guys, I will see you later. I'm just gonna enjoy this thing before the 12 o'clock because I have to edit more videos. And what else do I have to do? Edit more videos and film something because I have just to keep filming. There is another one that I need to edit. That's the hardest one, when I do twinning myself, when I twin, because me and my twin are filming, and that's the hardest part to do, editing. Hi guys. Katatapos ko lang sa jacuzzi at yung shower. I see this old shirt I have, old tops, in the bin, and I said, oh, I missed this. I got this from the Philippines. I think it's just like, you know, very cheap. Something is not even 100. The material is very thin, and I like the area here. Yung tainga ko, guys, ito sobrang sakit. It's been hurting me for 4 days. Not for 4 days. It's been it's been hurting me for days already. And sumasakit talaga siya, guys. I think the reason why I think this is what I think now. I think the reason why it's been hurting because I think I clean too much. Because the cleaner that I have is the one that, you know, you like scope the thing. And I think I did it too much, guys. Masakit na siya, sobra. It hurts really bad. My flower is dying. My flower is dying. You can tell, guys, it's dying because of the brown stuff, like, look. And even my other flowers right there. I have to put the water here, I guess. Hi, G flower. Why you dying, flower? Why? Hello, guys. Natao na po si Betty Lafia, guys. Ito si Betty Lafia, guys, oh. Betty Lafia na, Betty Lafia. I like the glasses. Different look. My husband would like, oh, who is that? Sumakit yung tiyan ko, guys. Oh.
And so that's reality. And then the rain, that rain.
Oh my god, this stupid show, Dr. Phil. No, it's not stupid. It's just the people that's in the show. Anyway, guys, I'm kind of hungry. It's 3:14 already. I just talked to Tommy, and he says he doesn't know if he's going to pick me up tomorrow or he will. Let's see what's happening, what's the weather looks like, and I will show you tomorrow or tonight if the snow will come midnight, and if I'm still awake. Yung buhok ko nakatali kasi I just done filming. Ito si Betty Lapia, guys. Naalala ko, I like Betty. I love watching it. Ugly Betty, Tommy has that too. We watched it since I got here. Okay. Mag-i-edit lang ako ng video. Tinali ko to kasi yung twin sister ko, kailangan niya magtali. At saka yung si original na may-ari ng channel na to, nalibang pa. Hi guys. Nakaka-bored. I really wanna try the Wonder Brow, The one, it's always advertisement. It's not advertised, always like something ad running on the Facebook. Okay, today I'm done doing filming makeup, so I'm gonna clean this up because it's been there for since I got here Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday morning. I have to clean the brushes, guys, because it's so dirty now. And I need to order more brushes because I don't have enough. It's really hard. I don't have enough blending brushes. I have only 2 that I can use for blending really good. I have only 2, and that's really it. Only this one I really use, guys, for blending. I'm gonna buy this one, the Ofra one. This is the eyebrow pencil. I need to buy it. It's getting smaller and smaller. Hi, guys. Ano na si Tammy tumawag. Tammy cold, and the snow start I think it start at 4 o'clock this tomorrow morning, and because it's stormy, it's snowstorm. He told me what I feel like if I feel like going back to the house. He will pick me up tonight, and that means it's gonna be like from work direct here. That's what he want, and I feel like he want me to be there in the house. You know why, you know. And so but he doesn't see it. He doesn't see that. He just see that, you know, he doesn't have problem coming here. So that means he want me to be in the house. I guess I'm going. Oh my God, ito nag-crack na, guys. Binili ko to, guys, sa Walgreens. And this is the sponge, fake sponge for makeup. It's cracked. It's getting hard. It's so stupid. It's a waste of money. It's $6, you know. It's crazy. All the makeup that I have. I'm gonna just bring my makeup, the makeup that I have over here. You know why? Because I probably film other video in the other house. I don't know. I probably bring the tripod with me because it's really hard to film with no tripod, guys. You wanna see? This is just what I did. I dumped everything in this bag. I dump it like that. Punong-puno na ito, guys. Grabe. I just used this today. This CoverGirl, the translucent powder. It's really good, guys. I like it so much. I'll bring that with me. And then these brushes, I'll just wash it again in the other house. So, tinanggal ko na yung yung mukha ko. Yung makeup ko at nilagyan ko ng mask na. Nirelax ko yung mukha ko sa mask. Sobrang napapagod na yung mukha ko sa kaka-makeup na yan. I'm just preparing everything what I need to bring. And Tommy pick me up. Tommy will pick me up. Oh my God, the snowstorm is gonna be really bad. Kita-kits tayo mamaya pag nandito na yung asawa ko. At sabi niya ako na daw mag-drive. Sana ako na mag-drive kasi napagod na yun. Sarap ng mukha, guys. Very cooling right now. This one is the something. I had this for a long time, still wet, but so I'm just gonna close my eyes because I'm going to drive. So close my eyes. I'm gonna see you later, guys, with Tommy. I'm driving, so that means I can vlog when I was driving. I hope I can put the camera in front of me. But bye, guys, see you later. Hi, guys. Oh my God, I tried to just go to sleep. I did try to go to sleep. I tried to close my eyes. And it's already 10:48. I was talking to Tommy. And he was close. I mean, when I talked to him, he's like a 6 exit away from the exit here. So, he's gonna be here soon. Sakit lang yung mata ko, guys. Baka mag-coffee pa siya or ano, iwan ko. So, I was trying to go to sleep there. You know, I can drive going to the other house. Nandito na yung asawa ko. My husband's here. Camera is here with you. Hi. Ayan. Morning. You want coffee? Huh? I I don't know what he said, but okay, I think I can't vlog, guys. I won't vlog. I probably see you tomorrow in my next vlog, and or you guys probably my puppies. So anyway, guys, good night. Thank you so much for watching, and if I'm not going back, that means I will see you tomorrow. And if I can't show you when I get home, probably we get home very late. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. So I guess I will see you later, guys. Bye. You're gonna leave me. I can see the